Welcome back to another super easy tutorial, Door Transition in Kinemaster. So first, create a new Kinemaster project and import your main video. So this is the video. We will add a door transition here. So go to Asset Store, Videos and search with the term Door. So we have several green screen door opening videos. You can check out all. But for now, install this asset, Door Frames. This one. I have already downloaded this earlier. Next, go to Layer, Media, Video Assets folder. Now let me scroll down and select this door. This is the door opening. With the video selected, go to Split Screen and select Full Screen. Next, scroll down to Chroma Key. Enable Chroma Key. Now tap on key color. We need to change it to green. Tap on the last option on left. Drag the red and blue sliders to extreme left and green slider to extreme right. The RGB value should be 00FF00. Now let's play the video. Nice. We also have a door closing asset here. So bring your playhead near the end of the video and then add the closing sequence from Video Assets folder. Place it correctly on timeline at the end. Again, select Full Screen from Split Screen and enable Chroma Key. You can select key color from recent colors. Also, you have green as the Chroma Key recommended color. Now probably you didn't know that if you long press this play button, the video plays in full screen. So easy, right? Example 2. Add your main background video. Tap on Asset Store icon. Tap Videos. Search with the term Door. Download the asset Hanok Door. Hopefully I am pronouncing this correctly. This one. Now go to Layer, Media and add any video asset from Hanok Door. This is the door opening video. The video is a bit long, but the green part appears after some time, around 3 seconds. This part. Now see this part. That is the first 3 seconds of the original video do not get displayed. So to avoid this, do it this way. First, let me delete all layers and take a black image as background. Now import your main video. Extend the black layer to full length or little more than that. Make it full screen. Now add the door video as new layer as before. Since the green part appears from here around 3 seconds, drag the original video a little before that. Make it full screen and enable Chroma Key. Drag the black layer till end. Now play. Great. Example 3. Import your original video. Now go to Asset Store, download asset, opening door 1. Now again go back to your project and add a door opening video from this asset as new layer. Make it full screen as earlier and enable Chroma Key. Let's watch it full screen. So these door transitions were easy and quick, isn't it? So let's watch the result after adding music. Now watch this title animation made with Kinemaster. To create a title animation like this, watch video on left. Or for more video editing tutorials, check out playlist on right. So see you there in the next video. Thanks for watching.